Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the sun visor. We're going to go step by step on the details to help you out. And if you would, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I surely appreciate it. All right, let's get into it. Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again, and thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. All right, well, that's a wrap on this one. Bobby B out till next time.